What if I told you that Ethereum, one of the biggest cryptocurrencies, was getting a massive upgrade? Yep, Ethereum 2.0 is here, and it's set to change the way we think about blockchain. But what does that actually mean? And how does it affect you? Stick around because we're breaking it all down in the simplest way possible. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love learning about crypto, blockchain, and tech in a simple and fun way, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Quick disclaimer, we're not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you're willing to lose. Alright, let's dive in. Here's what we'll cover today. What Ethereum 2.0 is and why it's important. How it works, without all the confusing jargon. The pros and cons you need to know. Alright, first up, what is Ethereum 2.0? Imagine Ethereum as a highway. Right now, it's super congested with cars, or in this case, transactions. Traffic jams lead to slow speeds and high tolls, gas fees. Ethereum 2.0 is like expanding that highway, making it faster, cheaper, and more efficient. More technically, Ethereum 2.0 is an upgrade to the Ethereum blockchain that aims to improve scalability, security, and sustainability. It's been rolling out in phases, with the biggest change being the shift from proof of work (POW) to proof of stake (POS). But what does that even mean? Let's break it down. Right now, Ethereum operates on a proof of work system, kind of like a competition where computers race to solve complex puzzles. The winner gets to verify transactions and earn rewards. Sounds cool, right? Well, not really. It's slow, uses tons of energy, and isn't very eco-friendly. Ethereum 2.0 switches to proof of stake, which is like a VIP system. Instead of racing, validators are chosen based on how much Ethereum they stake or lock up as collateral. The more you stake, the higher your chance of being picked to validate transactions and earn rewards. This method is way more energy efficient and speeds up the network. Plus, Ethereum 2.0 introduces sharding. Think of it as splitting one big database into smaller, more manageable pieces that can process transactions simultaneously. Faster, cheaper, and more scalable. A win-win-win. Now, is Ethereum 2.0 all sunshine and rainbows? Not exactly. Let's break it down. Pros: faster transactions, no more waiting ages for your transaction to process. Lower fees, no more crazy gas fees eating up your profits. Environmentally friendly, uses way less energy than mining. More secure, proof of stake reduces risks of centralization and attacks. Cons: higher entry barrier. Staking requires 32 ETH to become a validator, which isn't cheap. Possible centralization. Big players might control staking pools. Long transition period. It's a gradual rollout, so full benefits take time. So, is Ethereum 2.0 the future of blockchain? It sure looks like a huge step forward. Faster, cheaper, and better for the environment. It's a major upgrade, but like any big change, it comes with challenges. What do you think? Will Ethereum 2.0 dominate the crypto space, or do you see other blockchains taking the lead? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and check out our other videos for more deep dives into the world of blockchain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.